Hello everyone, my name is Marie Zodin Pui. I've already introduced myself in my first lecture, which was on the meaning of public administration, and I am one of the faculty members who will be teaching you your paper 1 in public administration. Two other teachers will be teaching you this paper. One is Pu Eshler Zidinga, and the other one is Dr. Malswami Patsuao. So three teachers will be taking up this paper. Pu Eshler Zidinga will teach you Unit 3 and Unit 4, and Dr. Malswami Patsuao will be teaching you Unit 5, and I will be teaching you Unit 1 and Unit 2. Now, today's topic is on the nature of public administration. It will be a very short topic, but very important one. Okay, so there are two schools of thought, or two divergent views, two different views regarding the nature of public administration. The first view is called the integral view. We call this the broader view regarding the nature of public administration. And the second view is called the managerial view, which is the narrower view of the nature of public administration. We shall first discuss the integral view of the nature of public administration. According to the integral view, public administration is the sum total of all activities undertaken in fulfillment of public policy, all activities to execute public policy. And these activities include not only managerial and technical, but also manual and clerical. Aomzia chuan integral view hnuaiah chuan Sarkar na thok zong tele until ti zong kha, it comes under public administration. All acts of officials of the government are considered to be acts of administration. So, activities of all persons from top to bottom constitute administration, although they may be of varying significance to the running of the administrative machinery. So if we accept the integral view, all acts of officials of the government, from the peon in the far off remote office to the highest secretaries of the government and the head of state at the capital, constitute public administration. Helai peon le Sarkar na thok niam beratanga asang ber thleng khan mo public administration hnuaiah khan kan rin lun vek thea until ti zong kha public administration kan ti theini, we can consider them as activities of public administration. Tin an mani po kha sarkar na thok to phot kha chu we consider them as public administrators. So according to the integral view, public administration is about doing things as well as getting things done. Now, Professor L.D. White, who is a famous professor of public administration, adopts this view of public administration. He says public administration consists of all those operations having for their purpose the fulfillment or enforcement of public policy. Her definition here, I think it covers all of the operations of the government in many fields. For example, the delivery of a letter by a peon boy, the laying of roads, the provision of water to the community, mo the provision of electricity to every household, kang ang zongzong te, the building of bridges, mo the giving of education in schools and colleges te kang te. Then in today's context, the quarantine of a sick person, mo quarantine of a sick person kang ho zongzong kha sarkari na service a provide zongzong kha le a officials te a provide tu zongzong te kha, they all come under public administrators. Sarkar na thok zong te kha public administrators kan ngai ti nani chu. So it's a broad, very broad view of the nature of public administration. Now coming to the second view, which is the managerial view of the nature of public administration. According to this view, the work of only those persons who are engaged in the performance of managerial functions in the organization constitute administration. Enge managerial functions kanti chuan is the function of planning, is the function of organizing, is the function of commanding, coordinating and controlling. And who performs these functions? These functions are performed by only the top officials. Sarkar na thoklian titsau khan, they plan, they organize, they command and coordinate and control the organization. In fact, they run the organization. Omzia chuan managerial view hnuaiah chuan Sarkar na thok te zinga heta alian ho chau kha mo top official, top bureaucracy lalho chokha, we consider them as administrators, and their functions and their activities are considered to be as functions and activities of administration. Okay, so under the managerial view, public administration is about getting things done but not doing things. Getting things done but not doing things. Luther Gulick, Herbert Simon, Smithberg, and Thompson are some of the scholars who support this view. In fact, Luther Gulick says that administration has to do with getting things done with the accomplishment of defined objectives. A definition nalandan hitsuan only the activities of a few top persons at the top of the organization are considered to be activities of public administration. So let me sum up very quickly. The two views differ from each other in many ways. Integral view Khan, it includes the activities of all persons engaged in administration, whereas managerial view restricts itself only to the activities of a few persons at the top. Integral view can accept it's one public administration too. It's about doing things as well as getting things done. But under the managerial view, public administration is about getting things done but not doing things. Now the question here is, should we accept the managerial view or should we accept the integral view of the nature of public administration? And the simple answer would be that neither the integral view nor the managerial view is without any flaws, and the correct meaning of the word administration would depend upon the context in which it is applied. As a subject of study, hetia subject anga a subject of study hete kanzirlai anga hitwan public administration kanzirchuan, we study all aspects of government efforts to discharge the laws and to give effect to public policy. Masi a process ang zong chuan, it includes all the steps taken by the executive agency from the beginning, from the start of a program until the last brick is laid. And it also includes formulation of policies and programs in the first place. Amzia chuan the process ang chuan formulation of policy le kami na tho chung zong zong atopa last brick an lay thleng khan avai khan kanzir don tinani chu can include don tinani chu public administration chunga. Then as a vocation anga kan ngai don ani chuan, it is about organizing and directing the activities of others in a public agency. So if we consider India is a developing country. Ram changmek India ram anga hi chuan public administration has to be studied with the integral approach. Engwangin nge integral approach anga kan ngai anga ina chan India ram anga hi chuan, because 90% of the work originating at the clerical level is approved at the top level, which means 90% of the work of governmental work is done at the clerical level. Sarkar na za somkwa hi clerical level la anthok zo veka helai top officials chuan 10% so anthok anga kan ngai ni developing countries at one, and that is why the clerk is considered to be the kingpin of Indian administration. And with that, I conclude this lecture. Thank you so much again for your patience. Thank you.